What's up, everyone? Hope your day is going well so far. If you're selling SHIB right now, or really, frankly, any other asset in crypto, I don't know what to tell you. You are being duped. And the reason I say that is people don't understand what happened over this last week. We ended at, I believe, a lower spot than we came into the week in terms of BTC. It seems like we just kind of fought the top a little bit, got a little rejection, obviously a little liquidation to the downside. But what was taking place during that time was huge institutional buying. Even yesterday, a day where we experienced a flash crash and a pullback in the market, really with everything, we saw over $100 million added from institutional money. In fact, last week, we saw totals of $1.83 billion, with a B, $1.83 billion of BTC added from institutional money. So what's happening right now is people are being played. You're being shooken out of your positions. While retail is selling and, feeling some of the fear in the market, which there really isn't much right now, but while some people are dumping their positions, institutional money is adding. There's only, my head popped my ear. There's only one way that this goes from here, guys. It's that institutional money is going to keep buying, keep pulling liquidity from the market, keep pulling all this supply out, and we're going to see this pop at some point. It's just a matter of when, right? That's why I've said that patience is the most important thing. Unfortunately, people want things to just happen instantly and have our run to the moon, right? But you need certain things to take place in order to get that next leg. And right now, guys, we're seeing those things that we in fact need to see. We are seeing big supply removed. We're seeing big buying taking place. And all we need is that new all-time high in terms of BTC for assets to start to get crazy again. Really think about that. That was kind of the catalyst early on in this market cycle to really get things going. And I don't mean a new all-time high, but what I'm talking about is heavy institutional buying. We're seeing the same things we saw back then. And eventually, the shorts are going to get beat. They're going to get beat at their own game. They've set this huge wall of resistance just above like 72K. And when that does eventually get breached here, the floodgates are going to open. Not just for the price of BTC, but for more retail inflows into crypto. That's the stuff that makes Shiba Inu go on its surges. That's the stuff that makes a lot of these other coins outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum go on their big surges and start tackling some of these higher levels. That's basically what we're waiting for right now. Do I expect next week to be the same? Maybe. It's going to really depend on, obviously, this FOMC meeting and what we see from the CPI data and things like that. But if we're at this point where we're close to the all-time high in terms of Bitcoin, seeing almost probably the second highest week of institutional inflows ever, what do you think is going to happen throughout the remainder of the year? I want to leave you guys with that question, but get excited. Don't be tricked. Don't be duped by what's going on. There's going to be minor fluctuations in the market, but we know that we're headed one direction. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.